Welcome to the assessment creation tutorial for consultancies on TaleGlobal. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete process of creating and managing assessments, step by step. To begin, open your dashboard and navigate to the assessment section from the menu panel. Now click on Create Assessment to start setting up a new assessment. Before proceeding, carefully read the terms and conditions and click on Accept and Continue. Now enter the designation or the job role for which you're creating the assessment. Next, select one of the approved companies from your company list. This list contains companies that your consultancy is officially tied up with and approved by TaleGlobal. If you do not find a company name in this list, it may be due to one of the following reasons. Your approval request was submitted recently and is still under review. Or the approval request may have been rejected during the review process. Once the company is selected, enter a suitable title for your assessment. Next, set the total time duration for the assessment along with the required passing percentage. Now enter the instructions for candidates appearing. These instructions can include guidelines, rules, or any important information candidates should know before starting the test. Once the details are completed, proceed to the question creation section. TaleGlobal currently supports 4 different types of questions that can be added to the assessment. The first type is a standard multiple choice question or MCQ. For this type, enter your question along with 4 answer options. After entering the options, select the correct answer from the available choices. Next, assign the total marks for that particular question before proceeding to add to the next one. The second type is MCQ with image options. In this format, you can upload images individually for each option by clicking on the Choose File under the respective option field. After uploading the images, make sure to select the correct answer option before proceeding. If you forget to mark the correct answer, the system will display a warning pop-up asking you to select the right option. Once completed, click on Add Next Question to continue. Third type is MCQ with image in the question. In this format, you can upload an image directly within the question itself. After uploading the image, enter your 4 text-based answer options below and select the correct option as usual. The fourth type is a subjective question. For subjective questions, simply type your question in the question field. Candidates will be provided with a text box where they can answer freely in their own words without any predefined options. This format is useful for descriptive answers, explanations, and practical evaluations. Continue adding questions based on your assessment requirements. You can mix different types of questions within the same assessment depending on the evaluation format you prefer. Once all questions have been added successfully, review the assessment carefully to ensure all details, answers, marks, and instructions are correct. Finally, click on Create Assessment located at the bottom right corner of the screen to save and publish your assessment. Your assessment has now been successfully created and is ready to be assigned to candidates through TaleGlobal. Thank you for watching.